Are you looking for a remote for your older Marantec, Mac Lift, or M-Line garage door opener? Then stick around and we'll show you how to determine what's compatible with your operator. Let's get to it. So maybe you just moved into a new home and the old homeowners didn't leave you any remotes, or they left you something like this, or maybe like this, and you're not sure what is available or what you need to buy to add remotes to your operator. The older operators like the Mac Lift and M-Line, they had 4 different frequencies available for them that the installing dealer could use. There was a 40 megahertz, a 433 megahertz, 390 megahertz, and a 315 megahertz. So what you need to do is determine which frequency of receiver your operator has. The easiest way to do that is to look on the back of the remotes where the frequency will be printed. If you don't have any remotes, or you can't read the back of the remotes because it's worn off, then you'll need to determine what frequency you have by actually looking at the radio receiver. So if you get a ladder and go out in your garage, climb up the ladder to the back of the operator and then look on top, and you will see a radio receiver in a slot. The radio receiver is going to be similar to this one, and it will have a long gray antenna wire coming out of it, and it will be in a slot on top of the operator. Just pull that receiver out of the slot, and on the receiver you will see the frequency printed on there. And what you want to see is 315 megahertz. If you have a 315 megahertz radio receiver, then the newer remotes that are available would be compatible with your operator. The remotes like the 382 digital, there's links down below in the description if you're interested in these. They would be compatible with the 315 megahertz. Now if you looked on the back of your remote or on the radio receiver and see a different frequency like the 40, the 433, or the 390 megahertz, then none of the remotes available today are going to be compatible. Marantec discontinued those frequency of remotes, so there's another option, and that is the plug-in radio receiver set. There's a link down below in the description for the plug-in radio receiver set, and you can also watch this video here on how to install that radio receiver to your operator. And what the receiver set basically does is replace all your old radio equipment. So even if you have an old remote or something, this will give you a new remote and a new receiver. And you could also add additional remotes to the new receiver, or even a keyless entry. And that's how you determine whether you have a radio receiver in your old operator that's compatible with the new remotes, or if you need to add an additional radio receiver to the operator to be compatible. If you have any questions about your operator or how to hook up the radio receiver set, feel free to email us at youtube@garageDoorZone.com and check out our website at garageDoorZone.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.